This video you are about to watch now is two different videos. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Susan, a mom of 4 beautiful girls, and today I will be showing you how I make my simple and natural DIY hair moisturizer. It's two different videos. The reason I made this video together because I want you to see the difference between these two, how I'm going to be doing this and the other one, and I'm going to be explaining to you why I'm using different products. So just watch this video till the end. Don't forget to like, share, and also comment. Thank you. I moisturize it and everything. So this is the final part that I normally do before I make their hair. Now this is what I do when I lose my kids' hair. For example, this day I'm doing this hair now is the day I lose their hair. So when I lose their hair, I will just go, I'll watch it. I will first of all I will detangle it. After detangle it, so I will show the next video you will watch in this video is when I was how to detangle hair. I have created this video before, but I decided to also add it to this video so you can just watch everything together. So but that is a Bianca's hair. This one is diamond. So you will see how to detangle hair in the next one. So after I detangle her hair, I wash the hair, I mask the hair, and after everything, now I'm going to prepare it for the next day. Sometimes I don't make her hair the next day, sometimes the next 2 days, depends on how many of them that lose their hair this day. If it's only her, the next day I'm going to make her hair. So I use oil. First of all, I sprayed it with rosemary water. That was the first spray you saw right there that was spraying. So after I sprayed it, then I now apply this oil. This oil I made it myself. Then I'm going to be, I think I put about 5 to 6 oil together. So for this hair, and I'm going to be putting the name in the comment section in case you are interested to do something like this. So I'm going to explain the reason why I am using what's it called, I'm using just oil for this tutorial. Diamond hair texture is this kind of hair that when you moisturize it before you finish the hair will be so hard as if you never even put water. So that's the kind of hair texture you have. I don't know what they call this hair, the kind of hair, but I just know the hair, 3 of their hair texture. Like I have 4 girls, no. So, but 3 of them, they are making hair. 1 have not started making her hair yet. That is the one in my back right there. For example, Bianca kind of hair texture is the kind of hair you'll be making, like you will not want to stop making the hair. Like it's so sweet, it's so nice, it's so soft, and you know, and everything. And Victoria hair texture is also nice. Her hair is very soft, almost too soft. But diamond hair texture is so different, really, really different. So, and I started using this oil. Since I started using this oil, I saw the difference. If it's before, you see the way I'm combing her hair now, it's still kind of holding a comb. And if it's before, it will like as if I didn't even touch the hair with anything. So I decided to start doing research and I started using oil. So since it's working for her, I decided to also share it with a fellow mom like me. In case you have a child that have a natural hair like this, and you know this fussy hair, and you don't know how to maintain it, so you have to try this oil. It's really nice. So I will put the name, just go there and go check it and go get it and put them together. It will work. So I cut diamond hair because of what happened to Bianca's hair. If you watch this video where this arrow is pointing to right now, I showed the place where her hair was really short. This hair you are seeing there now is a natural hair. I didn't add anything to that hair, but there's a part in that hair that I cut mistakenly when I was losing her hair. I explained it in that video. Just feel free to go and watch that video to know. So this is the same reason what happened to Diamond that made me to cut her hair. So because her hair was longer than this, so I learned my lesson from Diamond hair not to cut Bianca's. If not, I would have still cut Bianca hair short to to the way diamond hair is now, because I think it was Diamond. Victoria was trying to help her to lose her hair, so she cut the hair. She cut it really so bad that I had to trim all the hair to be the same level. So the same thing happened to Bianca. It was also Victoria. She was trying to help her cut her some parts from her hair, which is the extension I had to her hair, extension braid, and she just cut her hair. It was really short. So I wanted to just trim all the hair, and I said, no, let me leave it to see how it will go. So, but if I see that it still didn't go the way I want it, I might trim Bianca head. So, and it's going to be, I don't know what she's going to do to me because she really wants her hair to be long. So that's why I didn't cut the hair. So I think I cut diamond hair last 2 years, late last 2 years. So this her hair now is a year plus, not up to 2 years since we started making this her hair. So yeah, that's it. So if the person you are using this or you are making this hair for hair is longer than diamond's hair, you can make the pattern, you can part it a little bit bigger than the way I'm doing it now. Okay, but if it's shorter, you can also as in just do as much as you can. You know what I'm trying to explain. Just twist it the way it's okay for you. The way you can be able to handle. Just do what is good for you. I hope I'm making sense right now. As in, just twist it the way you want to twist it. If you also want to weave it, like to mount it, it's also okay. So I hope I make sense with my explanation. So yeah, so just understand the reason why I made this first one is because of her hair texture. And after that, this is the rosemary water. I decided to also spray it again. And this rosemary water, I added oil to it, okay, to make it in case I spray the hair will be shining and all that. So after I do it, you see the way I'm doing it now, massage it into it, and yeah, apply the oil on the lines again because I might end up making a hair 3 days after now. So just to make sure the hair is soft enough. So whenever I do this, so when I lose a hair, to look as if I just had that oil to her hair right now. So that is why I keep doing this. You see the way I'm doing it now. So after this, I'm going to use hand to massage it inside so that the hair will not start not hair, the oil will not start coming out from the hair. So that is the reason for me doing this. Now I'm going to cover it just like this, then for some hours before she go to bed. So, and when she's going to bed, she have her hair bonnet that she's going to use, not hairnet. Hairnet is going to keep the hair, it's going to make the hair dry. So when you make this kind of hair, please, no hairnet, use hair bonnet. So this is the end of this part. So let's go to Bianca's part. Yes, this is my baby Bianca's hair. And this is I just finished losing her hair. So you can see, I just lose her hair. I don't even remember the style I made for her, but it keeps her hair like as if the way her hair now look like this half cast hair. And I really love the hair. I was just kind of touching it. It looks. So this is the how do you call it? A flaxseed. See, I put this one in the fridge. I took from it inside this bottle. Then I warm it with my fry pan. I just put the bottle like that, this plastic, in the pot and pour water to make it warm because it's cold. If I don't do it like that, it's going to see the length of the hair. See how short it is. You see the a normal length. You see the length. So this is what I was trying to explain. I didn't even know that I show it here. So there, I was imagining if I cut Bianca hair, it's going to be short like Diamond's hair because Bianca hair is way longer than Diamond's hair. So if I had to cut this hair now to this length, which that's they mistakenly cut like this, and it's going to be so short. So I don't think she will ever forgive me for doing that to her. So that's why I just decided to not do it. So and when you want to detangle hair, please be taking hair section by section and use wide comb or brush. When you're using brush, please use brush that is also wide mouth in case you don't have wide mouth comb. And before you start combing it, make sure use your finger first to detangle it. As you apply this flaxseed, massage it first as if you are relaxing you are relaxing hair, you know the way you massage hair when you while you are relaxing hair, you massage it first so that the flaxseed will go to the scalp and to the hair to work on those things that is holding those hair together. So after you massage it, then you use your finger to start. You see the way I'm doing it now, open it. Use your finger to open it just the way I'm doing it. And you see the way I'm doing it. I'm making it a little bit fast because the video was kind of too long. So when you open it, open it, you see that it still kind of feels dry. You add your the gel again, the flaxseed gel again. So open it when you feel that okay, your hand is not nothing is holding your hand inside anymore, like your fingers inside. Then you cannot use your wide demand comb to do it, you know. And yeah, so this is what I just keep doing. So after I moisturize, I detangled this hair like this, and I'm going to comb everything together later. And just keep doing it. You know, see the way I'm doing it now. I hope you are following it. The way I'm doing it. See, when I apply it, I use my finger to kind of see the way I'm doing. Use my finger to do it. If I see that it's dry, it's not what I applied is not much, then I will add to it again. Then use my hand to do it before I comb it, just like so. So what we are doing now, we are detangling this hair, not moisturizing, detangling. So, and let me tell you before we get there, when I was moisturizing her hair, I don't know what happened to my camera, and I surprised when I just put this video. I saw that that is how my camera looks. I'm really sorry. I really want to just show you guys this thing, and yeah, that's why I see making this video. If not, I would have just leave it. So after I finish moisturizing this, I see what I did. I'm going to comb everything together to make sure there's nothing left inside. So when I'm done doing this, I'm going to cover it as usual. Allow it to sit for about an hour. So this is where I supposed to be showing this thing. This is what I used to mask the hair. I don't know what happened to this camera. So the first one I showed was the shampoo I used, and after the shampoo I masked the hair for some minutes, and before I finally washed it. So this is the conditioner I'm going to apply later. So if you notice, Diamond's hair, you know, I didn't use conditioner. Not that I don't have it. I didn't use it because I just want to try something different, you know, and I want to show you something different in case you maybe you want to make hair, you want to make your child hair and you don't have conditioner at home, to make you know that there are other ways you can detangle your child hair or you can moisturize your child hair. This DIY moisturizer, yeah, there's a lot of ways. So after I moisturize it this way, I spray it with this thing I'm using to spray it now. It's also a tangle free spray. So I sprayed it, then I comb it, you see, just like so. So Bianca is this kind of person, she don't allow you to comb my hair, most especially down of her hair. She don't allow you to comb my hair at all. But the way I'm moisturizing it now is really helping me, and yeah, it's helping me to control the way she feel bad when I'm combing her hair, and it also help her too, you know. So after I mix everything, like I massage everything well, you see what I'm doing now? I'm sectioning it into four because her hair is longer than Diamond's, and I'm not going to be how do I say it? I'm not going to be twisting it like I did with Diamonds. You see her hair have this tip, so but I'm going to weave it. But you can also twist it if you want. It's optional. This is just what I just feel like doing. And yeah, so you can, if do what you want, just do you, okay? So I'm just going to weave it into four. I think Diamond's one was a bit more. Yeah, was much. So yeah, so I can't wait for Latisha to start making her hair. She's just there laughing because her hair is really somehow. Her hair is not that long, and her birthday is fast approaching. I don't really know how to do with the hair. I tried to pack the hair, and I thought the hair would get long before I cut the hair though. So I thought the hair will get long before her 1 year birthday, but the way I'm saying it is not going to happen. Like I'm not going to make her hair. Maybe she just said, "Mommy, you're not going to. I don't want to start making my hair now. Like just give me a break." Because I started making their hair like when Bianca was a year. you could see her hair was much, but I cut her hair too. All my kids, I cut their hair, all of them. So guys, that is it. So we are doing the last one, and yeah. So I hope you learned something from this hair. And if there's any other thing you want to know, feel free to ask me, and I will definitely explain it to you. If I cannot explain it by writing, I will explain it in a video. So you see what I said, the video is not that clear, but please guys, just bear with me. So after I finish, as usual, I didn't spray her hair with rosemary water. I sprayed with tango free, just to do a little bit extra, just like so. And now we are done. I hope you enjoy watching this video. I'll just try to make her happy. This is how I play with my kids. We play like we are sisters, you know. So, and yeah, so bye for now. Thank you for watching.